Today's video is going to be very exciting as we're going to share some urgent news with you. The price of Solana SOL is about to skyrocket, is making a name for itself, as it is going to have a huge price surge. The SOL price is going to be at an all-time high in 2022. So go ahead and press the like button right now. Also share your views in the comment section on which cryptocurrency you think will make the most money in the short term, and turn on the subscription notifications if you're new. Before proceeding, please note that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky and lead to a complete loss of capital. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you should do so at your own risk. This video should not be taken as investment advice. The price of SOL broke through a trend line that had previously served as resistance. But how could the Solana price continue after it had outperformed half of the crypto market? Some cryptocurrencies fell today, but Solana prices were able to continue to rise. What could be next for the Solana price? Let's analyze Solana. Solana is a decentralized blockchain. It was developed to facilitate scalable, user-friendly apps. Solana's native cryptocurrency is SOL. The SOL has received a lot of attention in recent days, notably during the current crypto rally. SOL runs just like ETH works on Ethereum. The only difference is that the SOL holders stake the token to verify transactions within the POS consensus mechanism. It also allows users to engage in governance methods, earn bonuses, and pay gas fees. Solana is a single-chain, delegated proof of stake. The benefit Solana has over other blockchains is that it enables the blockchain to run efficiently despite network activity. As an extra bonus, Solana uses Cloudbreak, which is a shared log that keeps transaction history from taking up too much space on the computer. A few days ago, the Solana price was able to break a higher level trend line which had caused prices to fall. A short time later, the price was able to rally to the $127 to $133 resistance area and was rejected. For the time being, as it seems like the price will not break the resistance, we anticipate the price to correct for the time being. This correction could result in the Solana price confirming the broken trend line as support. Thus, the breakout would be confirmed and a future uptrend could be formed. In general, the daily chart indicates that the price is overbought, which is why an early correction is overdue. Solana reaching a price of $200 should not be hard. In fact, its all-time high price of $260 was reached back in November 2021. SOL prices crashed as part of the crypto market adjustment. On the other hand, one should consider closer price targets before eyeing the psychological price of $200. For now, we assume that Solana prices will fall in the next few days and will therefore be bearish. A retest of the trend line could occur during the descent. After retesting the trend line, a fresh rise to the resistance zone, that's $127 to $133 might occur. However, analysts expect a break of the resistance followed by a move up to the next resistance located around $150. Subsequently, a renewed descent to the new $127 to $133 support zone might occur. After this short-term retracement, prices are expected to continue on their way upwards, specifically towards the psychological price of $200. Note that this scenario is based on a positive crypto market and no negative sentiment in the crypto market, which is something to keep in mind. The entire cryptocurrency market has also managed to suffer a crash on February 20th, 2022. But the price that Solana portrays today shows that it has managed to recover some proper ground from that crash. The price slump has taken out the entire support at about 97.04. Any attempts made to recover the price at this level have not worked or managed to yield any positive results, as there was a rejection taking place on the candle of February 21st. Those who want to reacquire the tokens of Solana would have to do so through immediate support, and the value for that is about 79.37. There is still some possibility that the drop might go further below the range of 79.37 in the event that bearish action is involved and it managed to overwhelm Solana support. Will Solana go up again? It depends on some factors. By studying the monthly chart for Solana, one can understand the long-term journey for this particular cryptocurrency. According to the chart, the Solana trend line remains in a bullish zone. The downside that was seen between November and January 2022 was actually a proper correction that took place within the uptrend for the long term. Therefore, it can be said that the price prediction for Solana in 2025 remains bullish, indicating that Solana is a good investment. This is because the network has different important metrics that seem to be growing and in the right direction. The recovery displayed this week when the cryptocurrencies remain in a lagging situation is a testament to the fact. If the bulls manage to force Solana's price above the all-time high, then the door for the Solana price prediction will open and go for about 334.57 or even 438.77 by 2025. Solana hit its all-time high of $260.6 on November 6, 2021. Since then, Solana has failed to maintain its momentum and is down by around 60% since its all-time high. Solana, to hit its ATH again, needs to be backed by huge trading volume and the network. The Solana network has suffered a lot in the last few months, and every time there has been an issue with the network, the SOL price has crashed. The OpenSea integration has turned out to be a big morale booster for Solana investors. Solana is up nearly $40 or 40% in the last 24 hours. Google Trends have been one of the most important indicators for gauging market sentiment. For Solana, the trends have been higher in the last few hours. In the last 24 hours, the Google search volume for Solana has been slightly higher. The SOL coin price prediction from Wallet Investor is also a bullish forecast. Its SOL crypto price prediction is that the price could have a strong 2022, hitting $220.63 in a year's time. The algorithm-based science projection is that the SOL price could rally to $668 by March 2027. Digital Coin's Solana crypto price prediction is less bullish, estimating that the coin could remain well below the $1,000 level during its 7-year forecast period. Its predictions are that SOL could average $166.3 in 2022, reaching an average of $244 in 2025 and $582 in 2030. The long-term SOL prediction from Price Prediction puts the price at an average of $126 in 2022, $359 in 2025, and $2,212 by 2030. Looking at the performance of Solana in the last year, Solana can be termed a good investment even in 2022. Here are a few reasons why you should invest in Solana. Outstanding ecosystem which is focused on applications for Solana. It performs well on many metrics, for example, blockchain speeds. Gas fees are lower than Ethereum. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, SOL coin news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that the past performance is no guarantee of future returns, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That was all for today's video. Finally, please note that this is an instructional video and does not contain any financial recommendations. When investing, exercise extreme caution. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.